Hello everyone, Samit here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this video about a yen index and yen pairs. So let's get started. This is a yen weekly chart, and this is my AUDJPY count. And the important thing is this drop here. I consider this like wave 1 or A of a correction. Then this is wave 2 here, or if it is finished here, then we're supposed to be going down, right? But if it's not, then wave 2 could be going for this could be like A, and then this is sorry, A, B, C. If it is ended already here, if not, then this whole thing is wave A, then this is B, and then C might go to 78% instead of 61. Then 23%, then 78. That's a perfect calculation for a girdle pattern, harmonic pattern girdle, right? So it might be making that before dropping, or may continue go to the upside. My monthly chart, one of the monthly charts suggests way to the upside, like this one. See that? If this is wave 1, 2, then 127 is touched, we drop to this high, and bouncing. So we're bouncing, maybe we're going to take out this one and then go to 161%, way to the upside. And that will probably take the USD yen to that 77 area. I don't know. Let's see. Time will tell, right? But that's too big of a prediction. So, but stay here. That if we can go here. Now, daily chart, the one I made a few days ago, will look like this. That we're gonna be going to 78% here, right? So bouncing from your 61, breaking 61, and then going to the upside to 78%. From there, either we're gonna drop, like usually girdle pattern plays out, or like my monthly chart shows that might be going all the way to the upside. So it's going to do that, give us a little reaction, come to this high here, and then go to the upside. And that would be a fair girdle. But that is later, right? So for now, the concern is that if we go above this 61, then go into 78. Now, if that is what's happening, this is the current daily chart. So when I made the chart, right? So we here, so we dropped, we went up, and then drop a little bit, and then now posting a golden candle today. It's like slightly bullish, going to the upside. So let's see if we are able to go all the way there. Today is going to be today's Friday, 2:50 a.m. right in the morning, and obviously we have NFP 8:30 in the morning. So that will do the job probably, right? So let's see what happens. Sit tight. The main concern, my main concern is right now is this chart. So this is the last time I made it was here, given the TL from, I had made the chart like this, and we were here. So I said, I made the chart, I kind of like lost it. I don't know where it is, but I recorded somewhere. I saved it, but I don't know. So it bounced very, very nicely over there. And then I had a couple of very good trades. Euro yen 140, and pound yen was like 180 pip trade going from here to here. Then it came down again to this TL, right, and bouncing. So you can see that you can move the TL if to this low here. Look here. So yeah, it's a very, so now I'm using this low here instead of all the way down. So yeah, so it is pretty good bouncing from this and then bouncing from this area as well. 90, there was a 7110 number as well, which is not shown here. I don't know why. 7110 is you're right there, 7110. So let me do that. Let me put it that way. We know exactly where it bounced. 7110 would be somewhere there, right? Yeah, exactly. Okay. That's the 7110, right? So I would say gonna gonna mark here. Oh yeah. 7110, right? So see that how nicely it bounced. And then I wrote down there that if we go above this 7119, then it'll be okay. And I think I removed it. But anyway, This is what I'm looking at. This is a beautiful retracement, exactly 78% touch and then bounce. Reversal candle is in place already. Blue candle is underway. So that is a very good sign that we are bouncing. So we bounce and then let's say we go for 127 extension, and at least this bounce can go. Forget about this now. Let me see. The extension would be. See that 127. So it's 72. So from here to 72, big moves will be coming in all yen pairs, right, to the upside. So let's go take a look if we are exactly doing that. For example, this GJ, right? So GJ, let's say it dropped so much here in a straight line, then it requires a little bit of a retracement, right? At least back to 95.87. So I had a long off from all the way from the bottom, from this high. That was my own thing, right? Without the setup. But then again, right now I have a setup and I have a long from my 20-minute chart on this one. And I'm expecting at least a 95.87. This thing has a daily range of, let me see, this is the daily range is 189, right? And so far it has only done 55, right? So that means that we have still, more than 150 to go. So if we calculate that from, let's say from where we are now, 150 pip, that would be, that's too much. So 95.87 would be 113, right? And then this one is almost like 200, but a daily range is 189. So I would not go for that, even though 78% is that, right? So if it continue, yeah, it can do, but maybe in a couple of days. But at least one day, if I have the long, if it works out, then I will take it at least to this area, or maybe this pivot here, R2, right, which is 960. So let's say from here, where we are now, R2, that would be again, what the heck? How much? No, that's too much, right? I'm not going to be looking for that. So 95.87. That would be like 130 pip, right? So that should be enough, right? So I'll be happy with that, right? So this one is going on right now. I have a long, and then you can see Euro Yen is bouncing. I may open another long on this one because this is bouncing from 60 to 42. Very big number in Euro Yen, right? So this can also, let me see, Fib is, it is bouncing exactly from 61%. See that? That's 61% right there. So it has a very good potential to go to 65.35 easy. So, manage yourself accordingly. And then USD yen, all bullish, right? So bouncing from 57.70 and a 60.40 is the target of this one, too, right? So very in range. Okay, this target is. Aussie yen also, see, from here to here, everything is very nicely set up. That's why I'm making the video, that you guys can take advantage of it. I may not be able to take all these trades because I'm busy doing a lot of other things, one-on-one and this and that, so it's hard to manage. So this is bouncing from 61% as well, right there, 61%. Beautiful. Right. So this can go to this high here easily, 99.58. So this one also a good candidate. And CAD yen, again, CAD yen is also bouncing from here, 109.50, and trying to make the reversal candle here. So if yen index goes up a little bit, we will have a reversal candle here, and then look for long. Easy go to 11116, right? Or maybe here at least, right? But I would say that take from here, if you make the entry from here to here, it's 123. So 120 pip, not a problem with this pair as well, right? When it goes like this. How many pip from here to here? See that? 237. So 120 is not a problem. So these are the very nice, good setup in yen index and yen pairs. Just wanted to share with you guys. So take advantage of that. I may go and take a nap. So a lot of entries comes and goes while I'm sleeping, so I can't post on the Telegram. But I have my EA on, so if the entry will come, my EA will open the trades on the 20-minute chart, 20-minute computer. That is separate computer. of this. So this one, I have the analysis broker open and another broker for a 40-minute reversal, right? So 40-minute, you see already 40-minute. Yeah, I showed you all the 40 minutes, right? So this one is bouncing nicely and going to the upside. So as long as, remember, the yen index goes to the upside, means yen gets weaker. Then, yen is always on the right-hand side on each and every single pair, yen pair. So they all go up with that, right? So if it goes up, then all yen pair will go up as well. So let's go see what happened. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I made a gold video a little while ago, and it is going very, very nicely according to my analysis. And let's see what happened tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow, but today's morning. It's about to be at 3 o'clock, 2:59. Let's see. London Open, everything is start to shake, right? So let me go so I can manage my trades. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.